Hi students, today we will start the new chapter, that is aldehydes and ketones. Here aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. These aldehydes and ketones are also called as carbonyl compounds. They are commonly called as carbonyl compounds. Here these are called as carbonyl compounds. Why these are called as carbonyl compounds means aldehydes, for example, if you are taking aldehydes are having a general formula of RCOH, and ketones, if you are taking these ketones are having a general formula of RCOR dash. Means the CO group is present at the terminal of the carbon chain. When CO group, carbonyl group, we can call it as carbonyl group, the CO group is present at the terminal of a carbon chain or at one end of the carbon chain, they are called as aldehydes. And ketones means if the CO group is present in the middle means not actual exact middle, it must be internal, not at the terminal. It never be at a terminal. So, for example, carbon, 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 whatever it may be, CO may be present here, or CO may be present here, or CO may be present here. Means at intermediate, not on the terminal carbon atom. Okay, when CO group is present on the middle or internally on the carbon chain, then that is called as a ketone. And whatever it may be, both are having carbonyl groups, and so these are combinedly called as a carbonyl compounds. So, why these are called as carbonyl compounds means they are having CO group, one is having at the terminal, and another one is having in the internal or middle. Okay, middle or internal carbon chain, then that is called as a carbonyl compounds, and aldehydes and ketones are carbonyl compounds. Not only aldehydes and ketones, if we are taking carboxylic acids or if we are taking acid chlorides or acid halides, and if we are taking esters, and if we are taking anhydrides, COR dash, so this is carboxylic acid, acid chloride, ester, anhydrides. Amides are also having RCONH2. These are also having a carbonyl group. So these are not actually completely carbonyl compounds, but they are the carbonyl compound derivatives also we can say, or simply the carboxylic acid derivatives. All these are carboxylic acid derivatives. Okay, and these are also considered sometimes if which is having commonly CO group commonly containing compounds means these also comes, but original carbonyl compounds means aldehydes and ketones only. They have only CO group, but these are having CO plus other groups also. Okay, please remember that difference. Only CO group containing compounds, no other functional group means aldehydes and ketones. Along with the CO, the other groups also. Here carboxylic acid means COOH is also present. Here acid chloride halogen. Here alkoxy group. Here another ester group, that is carboxylic group, and this is NH2 group containing. So only CO group containing or carbonyl group containing or functional group containing is aldehydes and ketones. Next, general formula of aldehydes and ketones is CnH2nO. And the next one is classification. Here, classification of carbonyl compounds are aldehydes and ketones. Classification of carbonyl compounds are aldehydes and ketones. First, we are taking aldehydes, and here aldehydes are generally the compounds which contains C double bond OH, as a terminal group. And here these aldehydes means simple aldehydes only. We are not having any other type, but here we can say aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. Aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes. Here aliphatic aldehydes means when there is a alkyl group. If R group is an alkyl group or open chain, these are open chain compounds and even cyclic chain but not aromatic. Okay, open chain compounds are alicyclic. These are also called as alicyclic compounds. And aliphatic compounds means RC double bond OH and cyclo. We can write this one, this compound here CHO group. It is also aliphatic aldehyde. And aromatic aldehydes means here we are having a benzene ring. This is a aromatic and a CHO group is present. These are called as aromatic aldehydes. And suppose if next one is taken, that is ketones. Ketones means again there is a two types. One is called as simple ketones, or these are also called as symmetrical. These are also known as symmetrical ketones. And the second one is called as unsymmetrical ketones. They are called as unsymmetrical ketones, or these are also called as mixed ketones. These are also known as mixed ketones. And here simple or symmetrical ketones means RCO R dash is present if R is equal to R dash. Means two alkyl groups present or adjacently present on the CO group is the same type. Means for example, if there is a methyl group and here CO and here it is a CH3. This is a two methyl groups containing and two ethyl groups containing or two phenyl groups containing. Suppose benzene ring is present and here CO and this side also we have a benzene ring. Then that is called as a benzophenone. Okay, so this is a simple or symmetrical ketones. And the next type is secondary unsymmetrical or mixed ketones. Here, unsymmetrical or mixed ketones means RCO R dash is taken, but R is not equal to R dash. Means two alkyl groups or aryl groups present are different types, not same type. When they are having two different types of alkyl groups or aryl groups, then it is called as a unsymmetrical. Here it is a CO, it is C2H5. This is a methyl group and this is ethyl group. So methyl, ethyl group containing different alkyl groups containing ketone. Or suppose if there is one side benzene ring is present, CO, but another side is only alkyl group. Okay, so the type of compounds are called as unsymmetrical or mixed ketones. So that is a classification of aldehydes and ketones. Okay, the next nomenclature. Here in the nomenclature, first we are taking about the aldehydes and next we will see about the ketones. Here aldehydes nomenclature, when we are taking the common name of the compounds, those common names are derived from, so common names are derived from the carboxylic acid name. Carboxylic acid name. Here, suppose I am having the first aldehyde, that is HCOH, and if its oxygen form is taken, means one oxygen is present, then it is forming HCOOH. Here HCOOH is called as formic acid. We know that. And then the name of the aldehyde group is aldehyde compound is formaldehyde. So how we can get the formaldehyde name means it is obtained from the name of the carboxylic acid, corresponding carboxylic acid. Suppose if you are having CH3COOH, this is how we can get means by the oxidation of CH3, C double bond OH. And here, this is known as acetic acid. Acetic acid. And so, this is called as acetaldehyde. So, how we can get this name means from the acetic acid is derived. So, the name of the compound in common nomenclature system, the name of the compound is derived basing on the carboxylic acid name. So, for example, formic acid, formaldehyde, acetic acid, acetaldehyde, propionic acid, propionaldehyde, butyric acid, butyraldehyde. So, like that, from carboxylic acid, benzoic acid, benzaldehyde. Like that, from aldehydes name, the common names are derived from the carboxylic acid name. And next, IUPAC name. How we can get the IUPAC name? Here, if you are writing about the IUPAC name, then they are called as commonly alkanal, NaL. So, alk means root word, an means primary suffix, al means secondary suffix. So, this is a root word. This is root word, and this is primary suffix, and this is secondary suffix. So, this is aldehydes names. I will give some examples. Next, see these names. The first compound here, this is we already gave, that is a formaldehyde. It is obtained from formic acid, so it is formaldehyde. And IUPAC name, one carbon atom containing, so root word is meth and An, and aldehyde is indicated with Al. Okay. Next, two carbon atom, and this is obtained from acetic acid, so it is called as acetaldehyde. And IUPAC name, if you are taking two carbon atoms containing, so the root word is eth, An and Al, ethanol. And next, 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms, so this is called as propionaldehyde. Common name is propionaldehyde. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms, so the IUPAC name is propanol, NaL. And next, 4 carbon atoms containing carboxylic acid derivative, so it is called as butyraldehyde. This is butyraldehyde. The common name is butyraldehyde from butyric acid, and IUPAC name is butanol, NaL. Okay, and here this is a 5 carbon atom. It is obtained from valeric acid, so it is called as valeraldehyde. Valeraldehyde. And IUPAC name for this is pentanol. And this is called as benzaldehyde. Common name is benzaldehyde. The common name of this compound is benzaldehyde. And IUPAC name for this is benzaldehyde, or it is also called as benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. So, benzaldehyde or benzene carbaldehyde. And here, this is a alpha carbon and this is a beta carbon. On the beta carbon, phenyl group is present. So, in common names, we will get alpha beta. Phenyl group also beta phenyl. And this is acetaldehyde. Beta phenyl acetaldehyde. Beta phenyl acetaldehyde. In IUPAC, the numbering will be given. Here, the numbering is 1 and this is 2. So, we can write this as 2-phenyl. It is 2-phenyl ethanol. It is called as 2-phenyl ethanol. Next point, important one, special prefix carbaldehyde. Means CHO group is sometimes we call it as carbaldehyde. When means in these cases, when it is present on the CHO group means cyclohexane or any cyclic ring is present and CHO is present on the cyclic ring. Okay, second case is on the aromatic ring also. Just now we gave now benzene carboldehyde. And the third case is if more than two OH groups, more than two OH groups, more than two OH groups present on the parent chain means for example CH2, CHO and CH, CHO and there is a CH, CHO. Okay, in this case or in this case or in this case we can use the special prefix, special suffix, not prefix, it is a special suffix. So this is a special suffix. The special suffix carboldehyde is used. Okay, for this I am writing the name cyclohexane. This is called as cyclohexane carboldehyde. It is called as cyclohexane carboldehyde. And this is, we already gave this, it is benzene carboldehyde. Benzene carboldehyde, or we can call it as benzaldehyde also, but the latest term is benzene carboldehyde. And more than two OH group containing also we can call, here this is three CHO groups containing two CHO groups, not OH groups, two CHO groups. Okay, in this three CHO groups containing, when we are taking in this, how we can name this as here this is considered as the parent chain only. These carbon atoms are not included in the parent chain. In olden system, how they gives means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atom they give, but that is not correct. Here it is 1, this is 2, this is 3 only. So how we can name it is propane. 3 carbons means propane. 1, 2, 3. Tricarboldehyde. We are giving priority equally to all the CHO groups. This is a propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboldehyde. It is not correct to name it as pentane 1,5-diol. Okay, 3 hydro, 3 carboxy or 3 formyl they may give. So 3 formyl. So what is the old name they are giving is pentane. Okay, I will write clearly. So here the old numbering I am writing with green color. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So as per this, so how we can get this is 3 formyl. 3 formyl, 3 formyl, pentane, 5 carbon atoms are there, that is pentane, 1, 5 diol. So this is a old system, but this is not correct now, this is only the correct one. Okay, please remember for this, the special suffix when we use means in these cases, in these three cases, means more than two CHO groups containing or on the benzene ring directly attached or on the cyclohexane or cyclic ring it is attached directly, then we use the special suffixes, carboldehyde name. The next one is for ketones, IUPAC nomenclature of ketones. Here for the ketones, suppose if it is RCO, R dash, and here we can have R is equal to R dash for example, we can write directly as a dialkyl ketone, common name, I am telling common name, dialkyl ketone. But if R is not equal to R dash, then it is called as alkyl ketone. So here alkyl ketone means alkyl means there are two different alkyl groups. In this alphabetical order is followed. So alkyl ketone is the common name. And IUPAC name if you are taking, we can follow simply one, that is alkanone is taken. Alkanone. Simply we can call it as alkanone. Okay, so for example, we are taking one ketone, for example, CH3CO CH3 is taken. Okay, when CH3 COCH3 is taken, then we will get this is called as simply what it is commonly called as dimethyl ketone. And IUPAC name for this is 3 carbon atom chain. So this is called as propanone. 3 carbon atom chain is present, so it is called as propanone simply. And next one, suppose I am taking CH3CO and this is C2H5, or we can write this as CH2CH3. Then it is ethyl group, this is methyl group. In the alphabetical order, ethyl will come first. So ethyl and methyl, and finally we will get ketone. Okay, and IUPAC name means this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbering will be, so here the numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will get 2-butanone or butane. We can write it as butane 2-1. Okay, or 2-butanone. Some books they may gives like 2-butanone. 2-butanone or butane 2. Both are correct. There is no difference. And next, suppose you are having CH3, CH2 and CO and CH2, CH3. Means two ethyl groups are present. Then it is simply called as diethyl ketone. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the third carbon, we have the CO group. So this is called as 3-pentanone or pentane 3-1. Okay, whatever it may be, pentane 3-1 or 3-pentanone, both are correct wordings. Here say this compound common name. This is called as isopropyl group. This is called as ethyl group. So we will get ethyl isopropyl, ethyl isopropyl ketone. And IUPAC name for this is when we are writing about this compound, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. And at second place we have methyl group. So we are getting 2-methyl, 2-methyl, and it is called as a 3-pentanone. 2-methyl, 3-pentanone. I am writing here 2-methyl, 3-pentanone or pentane 3-1. Next, the second one, common name of this compound is acetophenone. We can call it as acetophenone, or this is phenyl, this is methyl. So we can write it as methyl phenyl ketone. Methyl phenyl ketone. And IUPAC name for this is this carbon is 1, this carbon is 2, on first carbon phenyl group is present, or we can write simply phenyl ethanone. Phenyl ethanone. And next, this is benzophenone. Common name is benzophenone. Or this is two names we have, or we have diphenyl ketone. This is a diphenyl ketone. Benzophenone or diphenyl ketone. Okay, for this. And next, IUPAC name for this is diphenyl methanone. Only one carbon is taken and methanone, that is called as, this is only one carbon, 2 phenyl groups are present on this carbon. And next, this is called as benzyl group and this is methyl group. So commonly it is called as benzyl, and the next one is methyl. Benzyl methyl ketone, common name. IUPAC name, here phenyl group is present, 1, 2, 3. So on the first carbon phenyl group is present, so this is called as 1 phenyl. Uh, Second carbon has keto group, so 2 propanone. 1 phenyl 2 propanone. And for the last one, this is cyclohexyl group. So we can write cyclohexyl ketone, and IUPAC name is cyclohexanone. Okay, so this is a ketones nomenclature. This is about the nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones.